everyone, welcome back to my channel Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make Akra Malanga, also known as Haitian fritters. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients: 3 pounds of malanga cut in half with lime juice and salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon sour orange juice, 1 packet chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, half onion, parsley, thyme and hot pepper, and 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning and oil for frying. Now I'm washing the malanga with lime to remove the slimy part. Next, I will rinse it twice with cold water. I'm grating the malanga. It should look like this. I'm adding black pepper, garlic, Goya, and the rest of the ingredients. Mix it very well and taste for seasoning. On medium-high heat, I will add the malanga mixture and let it cook 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown. This is the end result. Wow! This looks so good! Bon appétit! Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Bye bye!